The fastest way to make a bad business worse is to digitize it. Yesterday, I worked with about 120 business owners on a question that's sitting inside almost established business right now. What should we digitize first? The temptation is always to start with the technology. Is it a new CRM, an ERP, an AI tool? Everyone's doing it. A dashboard that promises visibility, productivity, and fewer headaches. But the technology is not the starting point. The business you're trying to build is the starting point. One story brings this all to life. A recycler had built a very broad business, collecting paper, glass, metal, cardboard, and used oil. He served many markets, did many things, and looked much like every other recycler out there. Then environmental compliance rules changed the pressure on vehicle workshops. The workshops did not simply need someone to remove used oil, they needed proof that it had been handled correctly. The existing process was loose. A technician drained the oil, details were written on scraps of paper, containers filled up, and someone phoned for collection. And when the audit arrived, the dealer had to piece the evidence together. So here's the thing. The recycler did not begin by buying software. He first chose a clearer market, oil. He defined the real problem as compliance, not collection. Then he mapped the full process step by step, found the friction, and only then did he digitize it. A technician could scan the vehicle identification number, followed by a guided workflow, take timestamp photographs, sign off on the job, and trigger the collection. The data produced the compliance report the customer actually needed. So the technology mattered, but only because the business had first been designed. Before digitization, he collected oil and competed on price. After digitization, he delivered compliance and won peace of mind. That is a very different business, and it reveals the principle. Technology accelerates what already exists. A chaotic process becomes chaotic faster. A weak offer reaches more people without becoming valuable. But a clear positioning, a reliable system, an engaged team becomes stronger, faster, more scalable with technology. Before approving your technology investment, do three things. Map one complete customer journey from first contact to repeat purchase. See how the work should flow. Circle the repeated delays, errors, and handovers to find friction worth removing. Then write a one-page business case with your team to define the problem, the user, the return, and the value it should create. After that, decide whether to buy, customize, or build. Your weekly challenge is then simple. Take a technology investment currently sitting on the top of your list, pause it, and ask your team to draw the process it meant to improve. If you cannot draw the process clearly, you are not ready to digitize it. Build the business first, then use technology to make a good business move better and faster. Till next week, Karen Engineering Your Growth. If you got value from today, please subscribe and share. It makes a big difference. And share it with any other operator level inside business owner with 20 to 300 team members.